Hello, welcome to Channel, I'm Kate. In this video I am going to teach you how to make an electric lighter so that we can make this interesting project together. With this project you can burn anything. Note, if you are under the legal age, please do this project with your parents' permission. In this project, I have used two 18,650 batteries with a capacity of 2 amps each, which is 3.7 volts and 4 amps. Let's go and glue the batteries together. We connect the batteries in parallel. If you like this style of videos, be sure to subscribe. If you are not yet a member of this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Like the video and leave a comment. If you have any comments, write to me so that I can make better videos for you. In this project, I tested the transformer with high power. The training video is available on the channel. You can go and see it. I will put the link in the description so that you can find it easily. Here I connected the batteries to the power bank module to charge them. You can put the batteries in a lithium charger module to charge it. Because I didn't have one, so I put it in the power bank module. Let's go to the test. Thanks for watching the video.